hopefully you can see me okay. But I am so excited. I got Doterra mail. Yay! 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 I have actually been really waiting on this one. If you have watched any of my other videos, you will know that my two oldest children, my daughter has ADHD and my son has ADHD, SPD, OCD. He's on the autistic spectrum. We're still trying to get him tested for Asperger's. So a lot of this that I have, one oil in here, it's called Copiaba. I have been patiently waiting because we have kind of taken him off his meds and he's been eating really great, which is awesome. But we still deal with some more focus issues and stuff like that. So I have cut it, but I haven't opened it, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to have it. Oh, so I've never really done a quite unboxing for you guys. Oh, and I got lemon too, which my daughter's not feeling too well. So I'm thankfully glad that I had that. I got that one for free. So they have these in these sticky bubble wrap. Ooh, yay. This is my first time having this, so I am super stoked. I've had lemon many, many times. It is a staple along with lavender for our family. And I was watching someone else's unboxing video, and they said that they just keep these in case you send anything off. And if you're aware of my giveaway, I'll be keeping that for that. But let's see. You get this offering the highest quality essential oil. And I'm trying to see, it just is more of a storage kind of options here. But I know that they have their baby line coming at the end of May. I'm not sure what they have yet. I do know by watching another video that it isn't quite permanent yet. Of course, it hasn't came out yet, but depending on everyone's feedback, because it's a complete new line, will depend on whether we have some permanent items that come from that to stay. So we'll see. My order thing, and then I also got some vials, 5/8 drams, just the sample vials that I have for the giveaways and classes I have coming up. I do have an online class that I'm about to have, so I will hopefully let you guys know, but it's on my Perfectly Polished Facebook page, and I'm having that there, and then I'll also be streaming here too. So if you don't go over there and like the page and join that class, I will be live streaming the exact same time on YouTube. So let's open this bad boy up. It says the serving size is 1 drop, at about 250 drops in here. Aromatic or topical use. Trying to think. Yeah, you can also take this internally. So, it supports the health of cardiovascular, immune and digestive and respiratory support systems. Powerful antioxidants, helps calm, soothe, and support the nervous system. Promotes clear, smooth skin and reduces the appearance of blemishes. So since this is kind of new, I have not been quite acquainted, but we're going to open this bad boy up because I'm so excited. Huh. Doesn't have a strong scent, which is good. I like to kind of do it on my wrist, kind of see. Let's see. Very faint smell. Trying to describe really what it smells like. I'm not really sure. Let me see if what I do smell I'm picking up. It doesn't have it in here. Let me look at this. Black pepper. Trying to see exactly what's in here. I don't know, spicy woody, which would describe what I'm smelling, because I almost want to say it smells like a cedar wood. But it doesn't have the ingredients on here. I probably printed the wrong page, but I'm trying to think without making this a long video. But yeah, so I'm excited. We are going to be trying this on everyone in the family, besides the baby, which it would be safe for him, but he doesn't necessarily need it. We deal with some emotional issues, my husband and I, so we're going to see if that will help support that. We have some body issues as well, certain kind of discomforts and stuff, so we're going to definitely be trying that for that. And then for my kids, I'm going to be diffusing it, but I'm also going to have them take it internally, to kind of see what, like, if it helps with them, because that was the main reason. And I don't suggest that if your children or yourself are the same way, to just take them off medication and do this. You know, obviously you want to consult your doctor and do what's best for your family. This is just what I'm personally doing. I don't expect everyone to drop what they're doing to, you know, do this sort of thing. So please, you know, consult with your doctors or nurses or whatever it may be that you go see professionally, and see if it might be something great for you. But if you always would like some information on here, just message me or comment below, and I would be more than happy to help you out with that. But I just want to make that very clear that that is a decision I'm choosing to do. My children's doctors are very aware, so, you know, it's kind of like we've got the go-ahead to try this. So we do have an amazing team of people like that. So again, you know, make sure you consult with whomever you need to make sure you are safe with using it. So, alright guys, well, I'm going to go try this bad boy out, because I saw that mailman. I have been waiting patiently for days, and I saw him and I was rinsing dishes and I couldn't just run to the mailbox. And then as soon as I got them bad boys rinsed, I ran, because I was like, yay. My husband's like, you don't need to run. And I'm like, well, you know, I've been waiting. And then I have another package tomorrow coming, with a lot of sample stuff and literature and things from Doterra that we will be using for giveaways and stuff, like I mentioned before. So I will probably have that unboxing as well, but today is Friday. I will be posting this today. I still have to post my Lemon and Purify video. That's why I didn't give you any information on this, because I'll probably post that one and then you'll see another one come right on as well. So I will see you guys later. If you like me speaking of Doterra and giving you some information and how I use them, please let me know down below, because I would love to make more and all of our experiences and everything, with everything that we have. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye!